Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as possibly a 1, 2, and big wave 3. If it is a wave 3, which I definitely think it is, then it should at least go to the 161.8, which is around the 25.40, 25.50 area. Then it's probably going to make a big wave 4 and then probably go back up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is that wave 1 and wave 2 that I showed you on the monthly. That means that this is all a wave 3, and it actually seems very, very clear. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we are likely in that wave 5 of 3. Now I would expect it to respect one of these two Fibonacci levels, ending the wave 5 of wave 3. So we're looking at maybe the 2500, or I think more likely the 2550 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the wave 4 actually ends back here. So that means this is like a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. There's probably a wave 4 in here, and I think we are still in a wave 5, and I definitely am still looking for longs on shorter time frames. We did make a big move to the downside, but it never broke structure, never told us the trend was over. Definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside, but you will notice that it definitely did make 1, 2, 3 waves down. I think that right there is an ABC correction. I think this impulsive up is like a wave 1. I think this corrective down is a wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, and yeah, we will get Fibonacci bounces, I'm sure, but I think it's just going to bounce. I don't think it's going to break structure. I think it's just going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, all part of this wave 5 on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, based on all those higher time frame analysis, I definitely am looking at this as a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3. We are probably going to get Fibonacci bounces along the way, but I think just like what happened here, it's going to bounce, but then it's just going to make 3 waves down, higher low, and just keep on trending up. So I personally am definitely only looking to go long, and I'm only going to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. I would look to go long right there, 1, 2, 3 ways down, go long. I'd look to go long right here, 1, 2, 3 ways, go long. So I'm definitely looking for longs on these shorter time frames at the end of every pullback I see, at least until the higher time frames tell us otherwise, which I think we are likely to hit the 2500 or the 2550 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.